My name's Clay, and it's Friday. My three choices on the dare were either 1, take a jalapeno to the eye, 2, do the truffle shuffle in the middle of the lunchroom for a minute, or 3, go up to a random group of people and make sex noises for 2 minutes. So, I chose the sex noises.
So here he goes.
Let's get it going.
Hey,
Tyler,
go. This group of people over there. There he goes. Wait, give me this chair. Give me this chair. Louder.
keep going, keep going. Give it a big roar. Run,
This girl's bitch. Come on, Clay. Alright, this is time up. 10 seconds. Alright, it's almost the climax. It's almost the climax.
really loud for the
Climax! Climax!
And boom goes the dynamite.
Clay, how was it?
Oh boy. Alright, it wasn't that bad.
That was great. That was great.